Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini Apple and Oil video recap for September 17th, 2012. Today was a barn burner. Nothing much going on. Today is also Rosh Hashanah, so happy Rosh Hashanah, happy New Year to all of my fellow Jewish comrades. I was at work today when I should have been at temple. But let's look at today on the 5-minute chart. Basically, we had the high of the day within the first bar. High of the day. Let me just bring up my data window. High of the day was 59, and then basically what happened is we sold off after that. So we got the high within the first bar. The high was 59, 14, 59. All these overlapping bars on the 5-minute. 80% of the time we have the high or low within the first hour of the day. Today we got the high. I was talking here in the live trading room. Anything in here, the only thing I could possibly do, if I was bullish, I'd buy it here with the stop under the current low, which is 54.75. If I was bearish, I would short it with a stop above the high. Well, the bearish situation worked. Most likely we were going to break out of the 4.5 point range. We got the low of the day right towards the end of the day, 51.5. So a 7.5 point range, but a very, very uneventful 7.5 point range. Then at the end of the day, we had a bunch of bull candles, and then we opened up. What was the opening of the day? We opened up at 56.5, and then we closed at 54.5. Let's look at tomorrow. What's looking important for tomorrow? Market profiles, what the big boys use. They want to know, where are the buyers? Where are the sellers? Where is the most volume? Well, point of control, 1456. Value area high. Where did people put their hands out? Why didn't the sellers come into the market? Very important for tomorrow. 1458. Value area low. Where did the buyers come in? 1454. Those are going to be very, very critical levels for tomorrow. 1424 to the downside. I would not get bearish until then. We'll probably see some action down there. Apple. What happened in Apple? Another all-time high. This stock won't quit. Got over 700 in the after-hour session. High looked like 699.54, but in the after-hour session is a $700 bid on it. Apple announced they sold 2 million iPhones. It sold out. I actually got in. I got one. I was very happy. People actually started waiting in line in New York City for this iPhone. It's ridiculous. So, important level for tomorrow in Apple. The downside, which is today's low, which is 94.61, which is close to Friday's high. Value areas. Let's look at that. Point of control in Apple. Where is the most volume traded? 698. Value area high. Where do the sellers come into the market? 699 quarter, 699 quarter. Where do the buyers come into the market? These are all very critical levels. They came in around 696.87. Next one, I'll look at Google. Google down actually a little bit today, but let's see where it opened today. Google opened up this morning, 708.11. We got the low of the day in Google, 705 even. Then it was off to the races. I talked about Google getting up to 707 and 717. High of the day, 712.88. Came back down a little bit. So this didn't move a lot more than Apple did or the market did. So a little bit more movement here in Google. And getting the low within the first hour. Google has been performing very well since the opening. Here is kind of unchanged. Here is straight up in Google. So it looks like we've been getting the low. And it's all about pattern recognition. Trading is about pattern recognition. If the stock opens, there's a better chance it goes up or down. Well, how's it performing the last 4 days? Google seems very strong. It seems like it sells off a little bit on the opening, then it's off to the races all day. Point of control for tomorrow. Where is the most volume traded? The most volume is traded 709.15. Value area high. Where do the sellers come into the market? 710.85. Value area low. Where did the buyers come in? 707.5. We will be having a market profile webinar a week from this Wednesday. It will not be done by me. It will be done by our CMT, Alex Bernal. He'll be going over a market profile, how to read market profile, how to use market profile. These are always very critical levels. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. And remember, if you want all my equity option trades, stock trades, future trades, forex trades, you have to be in the live trading room to watch me live. We also have an equity options educator over 30 years, teaches for 2 hours a day, and those are all video recorded with our CMT talking about market profile. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com, and I'll see you guys again.